Discover Greycliff Mill, Montana's hidden gem of wool, watermills, and timeless craftsmanship. Explore a living piece of American history where wool is woven, bread is baked, cheese is crafted, and traditional skills are kept alive in the heart of Montana. Discover Greycliff Mill, a living heritage destination in Montana. Join me as I explore Greycliff Mill near Greycliff, Montana, a remarkable destination where historic preservation, traditional craftsmanship, sustainable agriculture, and Western heritage come together in one unforgettable experience. At the heart of the property is a beautifully restored 1760s timber frame barn from Cobleskill, New York, paired with a historic water-powered gristmill from South Carolina. These carefully relocated landmarks have been preserved to showcase time-honored skills and provide visitors with a glimpse into America's agricultural and artisan traditions. At Greycliff Wool Works, locally sourced wool is transformed into beautiful textiles through spinning, weaving, knitting, and crocheting. Watch skilled artisans at work, browse handcrafted wool products, or join a hands-on weaving class where you'll create your own woven keepsake under the guidance of an experienced instructor. The water-powered gristmill grinds locally grown wheat into fresh flour that's baked into delicious bread right on the property. The Greycliff Market and Creamery features locally raised meats, fresh produce, canned goods, artisan cheeses, including cheddar, Swiss, feta, Gouda, and Havarti, along with yogurt spreads, fresh dairy products, raw milk, and homemade ice cream made right in the creamery.
Mandolin and banjo trade phrases, warm and unhurried.
Explore the artisan shops featuring handcrafted knives, hatchets, axes, and ironwork forged by blacksmiths trained in traditional Swedish techniques. You'll also discover locally crafted leather goods made from regional hides, custom-made Western cowboy hats, an underground Walapini greenhouse, and the Suds and Flames boutique offering handcrafted candles, soaps, and tallow-based products. Be sure to visit the newly completed Artisan Gallery, the latest addition to Greycliff Mill. The gallery showcases the work of local artists and talented quilt makers, celebrating Montana's rich artistic heritage alongside the mill's traditional crafts. The ranch also offers horseback trail rides, Western horsemanship experiences, horse training, and educational clinics for riders of all experience levels. Throughout the year, Greycliff Mill hosts hands-on weaving workshops and exclusive farm-to-table dinners, where seasonal ingredients from local farms are transformed into memorable meals for a small group of fortunate guests. Greycliff Mill is much more than a collection of shops. It's a living celebration of America's rural heritage, where historic buildings, traditional crafts, locally produced food, skilled artisans, and talented local artists work together to preserve traditions that have been passed down for generations. If you enjoy history, traditional craftsmanship, quilting, textiles, self-sufficiency, homesteading, artisan foods, and authentic Montana experiences, this is a destination you'll definitely want to visit. If you enjoyed this tour, please like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below and let me know which part of Greycliff Mill you'd most like to experience. Thanks for supporting local artisans and preserving these amazing traditions. Support local artisans by visiting the mill, taking a weaving class, or attending one of their farm-to-table dinners.